Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add more presets to your screen here. When you first get it, you're going to have just 2 pages of presets. As you can see, I have 3. So with all the different sources, you can add AM, FM, Sirius XM. You can do some presets in Pandora and HDRADIO as well. So you're going to run out, most likely. I'm going to show you how to add more pages so you can add more presets. So first thing you're going to do is go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Radio. And if you happen to be in Sirius XM, it's not going to say radio, it's going to say Sirius. So it doesn't matter whether it says Sirius XM or radio. You go into there and then scroll down to the bottom is going to be preset pages, and you can choose up to 6 preset pages. And once you change it, you can go back to audio, and you will see now that you have 6 pages of presets that you can save channels to. Now if you don't have to save a channel, you can tune to any channel that you want, as far as whether Sirius or we can go to FM, and let's say I want to save this 104.9, which isn't really a channel, to this preset here. I just press and hold that, and it's going to save that preset now to that button. So you can cycle between presets by using the steering wheel controls, which are on the right side of the steering wheel on the bottom next to your phone, left and right. It will cycle through your presets. Alright, another thing your radio is HDRADIO. For Sync 4, they have HDRADIO. It may have been on Sync 3, but I didn't have Sync 3. So if you see this HDRADIO thing pop up on your screen, that means there's more than one broadcast on that particular frequency of 104.5. And to get between the 2 frequencies or channels they offer, sometimes it's 3, they may offer 4. But you press this HDRADIO button, and you see the 1 here is kind of blue. That means that's the channel that I'm on. If I want to see what's on the second HDRADIO channel, then I just press the HDRADIO button. And you can save the HDRADIO second setting or third setting. You can save that as a preset if you like it. And it will put 104.5 HD 2 or 3 or however many stations it's there. You can also cycle between the HDRADIO channels. You can use the arrow below your screen, or the little buttons below your screen, which are right here, and that will cycle between HD1 and HD2. So that's HDRADIO. If you don't have HDRADIO enabled, which you probably should by default, but if you don't, you can go to Settings and go to Radio, and then enable your HDRADIO right there. Same place you go to change your presets. Now the stereo also has 2 sound modes. You can change between surround sound or stereo sound, and I think stereo is the default, but to change between the 2, you go to sound, and then you can change your balance and fade. You can change your treble, bass, stuff like that. You can also change, here is the sound mode where you can change surround or stereo. I kind of like surround better, but you can hear a big difference between the 2. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below, but I leave it on surround. I just think it sounds a little bit better. So that is how you do that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.